Welcome to Ramtech Printers, the specialist in printer. In this video, I am going to explain to you HP Ink 10 Wireless 419 black printout issue. This is the printout I have received through this printer, initially which has given letter, gradually which is not giving printout. I think there is a problem in head. How to solve? I am going to explain in this video. How to solve? I am going to explain in this video. See this? This is starting stage. See, gradually the letters are not coming. See, one more printout I am going to give. See this? Yeah, I have given printout. Yeah, the printer is getting activated. So we just taken paper. The printout is going to come. Yeah, now there is a little bit difference. This is the first page. This is the second page. See here. See. Off page not coming properly. See. So initially up to this this is okay. After that there is no printout. Anyway, better clean the head will give perfect result. How to clean I am going to explain. Just open the printer, then open this inside cover. Okay, the cartridge has to come and stay in its place, but it doesn't come. I am going to pull this to its original position. See here. See. See, this is the cartridge. I am going to take out the cartridge. Right side black cartridge, left side color cartridge. I am going to remove this cartridge. Before that, I am going to try clean through this computer. See, the printer got installed already, right? So HP DeskJet 419. This is 54. Yeah. This is 41 series. This is 41 series. I am going to click this. Okay. Yeah. So in this set print preference, quality, nothing. In this, I am going to maintain your printer. Yeah. There. Under diagnostic information. But wait once again. I will click once again this printer. So yeah, second option I have selected. right? Maintain your printer. So here I am going to clean cartridges. I am going to try. I am going to clean this. Yeah, now which is cleaning. So which is cleaning. After clean, we'll see the result. Which is coming output. See, black is okay, the color is okay, black not yet come. So what I am going to do, I am going to clean the cartridge head. I am going to clean the cartridge head. See, I did open the printer. I am going to bring the cartridge. See this? So here, in this, I am going to press this. Okay, I am going to remove the cartridge. Okay, this is the cartridge. This is the black cartridge, right? So I am going to clean this head. How to clean the head, I am going to explain, right? Okay. So to clean the head of 419, clean the head of 419 black ink cartridge, you need what are all the items you required? That cartridge, one black ink sucker which is available in online, you can order through online, one black ink syringe, one tissue paper, a bowl and small amount of hot water, So in this bowl, I am going to add a small amount of hot water, because this hot water suddenly remove the stains and dust which is covered in the cartridge head holes, covered in the cartridge head holes. To remove the stains, dust covered by the cartridge head holes will suddenly come down to the water and clean the head. So when you are not using your cartridge very long, the cartridge head will clotted. So to remove this clotting surface, clotting area or dust particles or dried ink particles, you have to take a bowl, add one small amount of hot water, keep the cartridge head into the hot water. In this case, you have to remember the head only has to touch the surface of the water. Head only has to touch the surface of the water. This circuit area water should not go. If unknowingly water goes inside the circuit, you have to remove the water or wipe off the water and keep some moment under fan. Then you have to insert your printer the cartridge, right? After some moment, right? See what you have to do. Take this tissue paper. See the footprint of the cartridge. See the footprint of the cartridge. See the footprint is very nice. See the footprint is very nice. If the footprint is not nice means what you have to do, take this sucker unit, keep inside the cartridge, right? Keep inside the cartridge and take one more syringe without needle, then keep insert into this, then allow the ink in this area. Okay, then suck the ink, then once again pour, then suck the ink, then suck the ink. Automatically what will be happen, if you put some small amount of ink and suck means automatically the head holes covered by dust particles or dried ink will sucked by this syringe and will drop into some waste bottle or somewhere else, right? So this is the way to clean the head holes. This is the way to, when you try to suck, automatically it will suck the ink also, it will suck the dust also. Suck the ink also, it will remove the dust also, right? After that, remove the cartridge, right? Remove the cartridge, touch into the tissue paper, then keep the hot water some moment, do this hot water processing, it will remove the dust and dried ink covered by the head holes. Always hot water is preferably good because immediately it will melt the unnecessary dried ink. And now see this holes and all openly properly. See here. So you are getting the straight line, exactly straight small rectangle. See what length you are having in your cartridge head holes, same length you have to get. That means if the cartridge is in good condition, so then clean the cartridge surface. Because we kept under water, then you have to clean the surface. After cleaning this, you have to insert into your printer. Then we will see the result. Okay? We have to remove the dust and dried ink which is covered by head holes, and this is the black cartridge which is been ready. I am going to insert the cartridge into the printer. See here. So this is the way to insert. So after inserting, use your thumb, just give a pressure, then it will go and get locked. Right? Okay. Then you have to press the blue color knob. See here. That's all. Now which is locked. So now I am going to close this. Printer. Now I am going to give one printout. I am going to check this. I am going to give one printout. See? I have given printout. You will see. Paper has taken. Then I am going to see the printout. Yeah, see here. So now which is perfectly all right. See, I'll place the one by one. This is the first page I have received through this printer. Then this is the second page I have received the printer. See here, half of the page I got the result, half of the page I did not get the result. Then I tried through the computer or laptop, clean the head, and I have given one printout, but there is no black letters, black letters and all not coming properly, and this is the black area also not coming, so colors and all properly coming. Inside this logo also the color is missing. So after cleaning the head manually, that is very important. After cleaning the head manually, I got the result. So this is the way to clean the head manually. So using this available option in laptop or desktop through software, it won't get correctly clean the head. So what you have to do, you have to manually clean the head. Then only it will work. This is the way to clean the printer head in HP ink tank, any printer. But in this case, which is applicable, HP ink tank wireless 419. Okay. So my dear viewers and customers, please apply this method and clean the head. Clean the head. Enjoy the printout. So if you follow what I narrated in this video, surely you'll get the output either black cartridge or color cartridge. Right? Okay. So if you like my video, put like, subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new videos regarding printer service, laptop service, desktop service. Also I have released more videos regarding cartridges refilling, ink and laser cartridges. Both cartridges, how to refill, I have given more videos, and I have covered all the available industrial printer industry cartridges. So please have a look and enjoy yourself. If you like the videos, please put like, subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends and relatives and neighbors. Let them share to their friends and relatives and neighbors. Let it goes by chain. So if you have any new problem, you do not find any solution, or you did not find any solution anywhere else, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you to solve the problem. Thanking you. You will see in the next video some other new problem with solution. Have a nice day. Welcome.